Hello and good morning, everyone. How is everyone? Hello, good morning. How was your class yesterday? I really missed here taking classes. Actually, I was having some important work, so I couldn't take the class. But I hope you all must have enjoyed it. है ना? Yes. How is everyone? Chalo. So whenever possible, whatever question I'm asking, please try to reply. I know it's very much difficult for you people to reply in person, but yes, you can try wherever there is scope, there is window, like try replying. Okay, chalo. Today in the class, what we will be doing, yesterday you must have done question from capacitor, done. And basically you did questions where dialectic was there inside the capacitor. And today in the class, I'm going to start with current electricity. So basically, Saturday, Sunday class, time and again, I'm saying it is for what? It is for question solving, right? So this current electricity question solving will happen in 3 classes. Today in the class, and next weekend there will be test, of course, and after that whatever weekend is there, in that weekend we will be again continuing with current electricity. Okay, so today in the class what we are going to actually deal with is we will be basically doing question from these topics. Okay, so what is current, basic definition of current, we will be taking up Ohm's law, calculating resistance, temperature dependence of resistance, power. Done. So whatever question you will get today, they will have this, they will involve a use of these concepts. Okay, so let's first I will take you through these concepts in a very brief amount of time, but still I will make you remember ki cheezein kya kya hai. Okay, so what is current? First thing, so current is what? Rate of flow of charge, you all know. So it is nothing but I is defined as dq by dt. A simple example, if I take, question also come from this portion, like if there is a charge q, suppose, and it is going in a circle. Suppose it is going in a circle with velocity v and circle radius is r. Now question is ki what is the current flowing here? So here there is also a charge and that is moving. So there will be current, right? So what will be the magnitude of current? Magnitude of current you will calculate as rate of flow of charge. So if you consider here, how you will calculate current here? तो यहाँ पे आप देखो, just consider at t equal to 0, my charge is here. Charge will move and come here again. After how much time? After one time period. Done. So in one time period, how many charges has flown here? That is q. So current यहाँ पे आप क्या लिखोगे? Q by time period. That is the way of finding out current if charge is flowing in a circle, right? So here also I'm dealing with a question. तो यहाँ पे Q equal to T, टाइम पीरियड कैसे आप निकालोगे? So time period will be nothing but 2 pi r by v. Done. Where if velocity and radius are given, so 2 pi r by v. Done. So this way you will be calculating the current. Next is the direction of current. So direction in which positive charge would move, that will give you the direction of current. Suppose you have an electron, you have a proton, and both are moving in the forward direction. Done. So in first case, or suppose in second case, current is flowing in which direction? In the forward direction only, because current direction is in the direction in which positive charge flows. Now here electron is a negative charge, it is flowing in or towards right, so current will flow towards left. Okay, you all must be aware of this thing. SI unit of current is ampere. Now what's the Ohm's law? Just like in class 11th, you all must have studied one thing, that is because of temperature difference, heat flows. है ना? आपने पढ़ा है ना? So in current, you all must have studied because of potential difference, what will happen? Current will flow. So if I have taken a conducting rod here, if its potential is V1, it's V2, and here it is written that V1 is greater than V2, then there is a potential difference between point A and B, or you can say between phase A and B. So Ohms stated that, आप सबने पढ़ा होगा, again I'm just revising. तो यहाँ पे potential difference, that is V1 minus V2, is directly proportional to current flowing. I'm taking here V1 minus V2 as V now. So V is directly proportional to I. So V became equal to IR. This is your Ohm's law, right? You all must have studied this. Now you all must have studied graph between voltage and current. That will come as a straight line, है ना? तो यहाँ पे ये सारी चीजें. Now current का formula. So what formulas you need to remember for calculating current? On macroscopic level, current can be calculated as V by R. Just now we have seen in the Ohm's law. And in microscopic term, again, there is one more formula that you will encounter, and that is ANEVD. है ना? सबको याद होगा. So A is what? A is the cross-sectional area through which current is flowing. Suppose this is the rod and current is flowing in this direction. So A is this area of cross-section. N is what? N is number of charge present inside conductor per unit volume. So this is number of charge per unit volume. Then what is E? E is the charge of electron. And what is VD? That is your drift velocity. You all must have studied that drift velocity is not the instantaneous velocity of a charge. It is the average velocity of a charge. है ना? ये आपने पढ़ा होगा, याद रखना हमेशा. Vd is the average velocity, not an instantaneous velocity, right? What is this formula again? Vd can be written as what? So Vd can be written as E tau by m. What these terms mean? E, charge on electron. E is the electric field. Suppose current is flowing through this rod. So if there is a potential difference, in electrostat we have studied, if potential difference exists, it means electric field exists in the region. And electric, in the direction of electric field, potential decreases the maximum. I have told you time and again this thing. So if I'm taking V1 is greater than V2, that is potential is decreasing in this direction. So electric field will be in this direction. So that electric field value here is E. Tau is the relaxation time. You all must have studied about it. M is mass of the charge particle. E tau by M. Okay? So this is this. Generally, this is mass of electron. Done. तो अब यहाँ पे देखो फाइंडिंग रेजिस्टेंस. व्हाई आई हैव इंक्लूडेड दिस वन. जैसे रेजिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला आपने पढ़ा होगा, R is written as rho L by A. Now how we will take L, how we will take A? Suppose current is flowing in this direction. So L is actually the length along which current is flowing. ठीक है? So here if current is flowing in the direction that I have denoted just now, then length will be this and area of cross section will be this. ठीक है? Second case, suppose कर लो, I am telling you कि current is flowing in this direction. If current is flowing like this, when current will flow like this, when potential difference will be maintained along these two circles, right? So if current is flowing like this, then what length current is flowing? Along this length. So if now you are going to write the resistance formula for this case, you will be writing rho L by A, where A is what? Area of cross section along which current, or the cross section at which current is entering or leaving, whatever you say. So यहाँ पे अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो current is entering in this cross section, है ना? Through this cross section current is flowing. So this area we will have to take depending upon the geometries we will be taking. Okay? So you need to remember what is L here and what is A. We all know L is length, A is area. Which length, which area? That is important. Okay? Chalo, another forms of Ohm's law. Again, this formula is very much important. That is why I have included here. So agar aapne Ohm's law ka expression dekha, V equal to IR. Now how we can write it in a different way? In a microscopic terms, we can write it. Just in microscopic term, current is written as ANEVD. Then suppose कर लो, यहाँ पे I'm taking rod. This space has a potential of V1. This space has a potential of V2. So current will flow in this direction if V1 is greater than V2. And just now I have said if V1 is greater than V2, then electric field will also exist in this direction. Because electric field is in the direction in which potential decreases the maximum. Done. And this length, suppose it is D. So in electrostat, we have studied potential difference can be written as what? It can be written as electric field into distance between them, E into D, है ना? तो यहाँ पे V को हमने ED लिख दिया, I को you can write as ANEVD, R को क्या लिख सकते हो आप, रो L by A. Again, this L is this L, so it is written as T. Now here D will get cancelled, A will get cancelled. What you are going to get? E equal to NE VD done into rho. Again, let's break VD. Drift velocity we can break here now. E equal to what you will be writing, NE rho into VD can be written as E tau by M. So E will get cancelled, and what you are going to get here, you are going to get here what? If I'm going to show you, just I'm trying to calculate the value of rho in terms of microscopic values or microscopic variables, I must say. तो यहाँ पे देख लो, if you see carefully, rho can be written as N M by NE square tau. Again, this formula is very important. From this, 2 questions came in 2019. In 20 also we have got questions. So this formula is very important. Resistivity can be calculated if microscopic terms are given, that is mass of the charge, number of charge per unit volume, and relaxation time. Done. Another form of Ohm's law, if you will manipulate it more, you all must have studied. So I'm just giving the formula here. J can be written as sigma A. What is J here? J is the current density. E is what? Electric field. Sigma is what? 1 by rho. So this is another form of Ohm's law. You can get it easily from this expression here. Okay. So again, remember the formula. I'm giving just now the formula. Temperature dependence of resistor. क्या होता है? Suppose your resistor is at temperature T0, its resistance at T0 is R0. Now what is happening? I'm giving it heat, so it will get heated. When it gets heated, what will happen? Its resistance will increase. You all must be knowing the reason why. Now what will be the value of that new resistance? It will be R equal to R0 1 plus alpha delta T. What is alpha here? This is thermal coefficient of resistivity, resistance, and delta T is what? Change in temperature, that is T minus T0. So this value you will be given in the question, and accordingly you will be asked. Okay. Now color coding of resistors. From here also we get questions. Suppose you are going to lab and your teacher give you a resistor something like this, and he or she is asking you, tell me the value of resistor. How will you read it? So there are 4 color codes you can see. This is 1 code, this is 2nd, this is 3rd, this is 4th. Done. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am starting to read the code from left. It is very important. मैंने इसको 1 नहीं बोला है, मैंने इसको 4th बोला है. So you have to start reading from which side, right or left? Left. तो ये हमेशा ही याद रखना. Start reading from left. This is the key point. ठीक है? Reading will be always from left. This is band A. Band A stands for first digit. Band 2 stands for second digit. Band 3rd stands for multiplier. And 4th band stands for tolerance. That is error. Okay? Now suppose, just example I'm taking, not exact value I'm taking. Suppose this color stands for digit 1. This color stands for digit 2. And this color for 3. Suppose. Okay? And this stands suppose for 5%. Suppose I'm taking. So if I have to tell its value of resistance, what I will write? First band stands for first digit, so first digit आप लिख लो. Band B stands for second digit, तो second digit आप लिख लो. Third band stands for multiplier, तो into कर लो और 10 का power में जाएगा यहाँ पे. Whatever it digits it indicates. Okay, so it is indicating third. So here you will write 3. So this is multiplier. Now how much error? 5%. So you will write plus minus 0.05 or 5%. Okay, so this will be the answer. But again, this color stands not for 1. I've just taken it as an example. Okay, just to explain it here. Now you need to remember actually which color stands for which number. I have taken this screenshot from the NCERT because from there only, like you don't need to remember from some other source. Exam में जो भी question आएगा, they will expect कि you will answer it according to NCERT. So black color के लिए 0, brown 1 and all. So these things are there. Again इसको याद कैसे करेंगे? तो बहुत सारे tricks है यार. I have just written here one thing: bright boys rave over young girls, but veto getting well. Again I don't believe in this line. Please don't take it as otherwise. मैंने ये line इसलिए लिखा है so that आपको आसानी से याद हो जाए. ठीक है, तो bright boys, B will stand for black here, this brown, this is red, this is orange, this is yellow, and this is your what? Green, again this is blue, violet, and this is your gray, and this is white. ठीक है, gold, if there is a gold stands for tolerance of 5%, silver 10%, no color 20%. तो ये आपको याद रखना होगा to answer the question. ठीक है, now finally power, like suppose here in the example I have given, there is a battery of voltage V, and it is supplying current to a body that has a resistance value of R. Suppose it is giving current I. So here I value will be how much? V by R. If someone is asking how much power this resistance or this resistor is drawing from the battery, तो power का formula बस मैं दे रही हूँ यहाँ पे V into I. ठीक है, you can manipulate it. Heat generated अगर निकालना है, you will multiply power with time, right? Done. So all those things you will be doing. Now I will move on to the very first question, and I will expect each one of you to do the question. तो यहाँ पे देखो क्वेश्चन है, I will give you 2 seconds for this question. ठीक है, कितना टाइम मिलेगा आपको? 2 seconds मिलेगी. Done. So in that 2 seconds you have to solve it. What you will do first you will read the question carefully, and after that you will answer it. तो चलो करके दिखाओ क्या होगा. This is a question, take you 2 minutes. Done. Your 2 minutes has started. Okay. You can text your answer here in the chat section. Okay. Both on Zoom and YouTube. I am having look at both of this. तो आप कहीं भी भेज सकते हो. Sorry. Okay. JNB Changlam. Yes, correct. Others, please let me know. Everyone, please try the question. Question is too easy. You just need to write the values. Nothing else. You just need to use the formula and then write the values. So do it. More 8 seconds left. Only one answer I got. Ashwini. Okay, time is up. Ashwini, yes. Others, what happened? Yeah. JNB Pathan D. Okay, done. One more answer. Where are others? Sneha, it's true. Very less answers I got today in comparison to the previous classes. Yes, JNB Ahmedabad. Yeah, true. What happened to others? Anand, Gandhinagar, Gondia, Kheda, Kutch, Nanded, Panchmahal, Sangli, Hyderabad. सब सो रहे हो और आराम से सो. So what the Mara, Gandhinagar, you tried, but it's wrong. Let's see. What the question is, in a conductor, if the number of conduction electron per unit, so value of n is given. N is how much here? N given is 8.5 into 10 to the power 28, right? And mean free time here means relaxation time. So relaxation time is how much? That is 25 femtosecond. 1 femto means 10 to the power minus 15 second. So it will be into 10 to the power minus 15 second. So this is your tau. So its resistivity ka formula just now I have given you. So this will be rho equal to m by ne square tau. So you just need to write the values. What will be the mass here? Mass is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 divided by n is what? Number of electrons per unit volume. That is how much? 8.5 into 10 to the power 28 into e स्क्वायर अगर आप लिखोगे तो 1.6 का स्क्वायर करोगे, है ना, एंड पावर का स्क्वायर करोगे 10 टू द पावर माइनस 38 हो जाएगा, और सेकेंड्स टाउ का वैल्यू आप रख लो, सो दैट इज 25 into 10 to the power minus 15. We need to tell the values approximately. First deal with the powers. So here it is minus 31 and here it is minus 38 plus 28. So that became how much? Minus 38 plus 28, that is minus 10 and minus 15. So minus 25. And on the top it is minus 31. So overall how much you will be getting on the top? On the top you will be getting 10 to the power minus 6 into. Now how much? 9.1 divided by. What I am doing here, I am multiplying denominator with 4. So also numerator with 4. Why 4 I have taken? Because 25 into 4 will become 100. So it's better to make things equal to 0, right? Or make things in term of 0. So 25 into 400, तो यहाँ पे आप bottom में 100 ले लो, into 1.6 का square कितना लिखोगे? 2.56 into 8.5. So if you're going to solve it, it will be something 10 to the power minus 8 into something less than 10. You will be getting here, right? So approximate value of resistivity will be how much? It will be D. Okay? I hope everyone got the answer. Done? Chalo, next question. Try this. Read the question carefully first. Okay, do it. I will let you know when time is up. Okay. Because of network issues, it got stuck actually, that timer. So I will let you know. Don't worry. Everyone read the question carefully and I expect answer from everyone. JNB Punch Mahal. Okay. What happened to JNB bar beta? So many messages, writing nothing, only dot 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 dot. क्या हो गया? चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करो, ये क्वेश्चन करके बताओ क्या हो रहा है. Okay. JNB Gondia. Okay, done. You need to reconsider, I guess, or it may be correct. I don't remember exactly, but okay. Oh, okay. JNB Gondia. Okay. Okay, done. Others, please. JNV, Nanded. Okay, everyone getting different answers. Everyone, JNV, Anand. Okay, Ahmedabad. Others, please. Everyone, come on, do it. It doesn't matter you're getting right or wrong. It matters if you're solving or not. That is of importance. Okay, Gandhinagar, Ashwini. What you have to do here in the question, there is a copper wire and that is traced to make it 0.5% longer. Then the percentage change in its electrical resistance will be what? So initially it was of length L. Now its length is 0.5% longer. What will be its what will be percentage change? Pucha hai na? Yes. What will be the percentage change in its resistance? That you have to tell me. Genvi Yavatmal. Okay. Pathan. Kheda. Genvi Yavatmal, you are not in the previous classes in the previous weekend I am talking about. Why so much irregularities? Please try attending class on regular basis. Okay. Good morning, Sam, but you're too late. So what is the formula of resistance? Rho L by A. How you will solve the question? First thing. So the question is, there is a copper wire. We are stretching it by some percent. What will be the percentage change in its resistance? That's the question. Condition is volume is remaining constant. Volume is remaining constant. So suppose Karlo, there is a copper wire. It will be of cylindrical shape, right? Its area is A, length is L. If volume is remaining constant, it means A into L is what here? A into L is constant. So make A into L constant. How we will use it here? So do one thing, multiply numerator by L, also denominator by L. So you will get here rho L square by V. That is resistance. So here rho is constant, V is constant as given in the question. Rho automatically is constant and L is here variable. So how if L is changing by 0.5%, how resistance will change? So here we can use the logic of error wala. Why we can use here? Because percentage change in its length is very small. Just in error, we deal with what? We deal with error will be less than 1. So we deal with something 0.01, 0.02 or 0.003, something like that. Then here also change in its length is how much? 0.5%. So it is very little now, very small. That is 0.005. So we can use here what? Error logic. So what is the error logic? Percentage or relative error in radius here can be written as delta R by R equal to 2 delta L by L. That we can write here, right? Now in the question it is given that the percentage change in length is given. Percentage change in radius we have to calculate. So delta L by L into 100, that is given as how much? 0.5. So यहाँ पे अगर आप इसको निकालोगे delta R by R into 100, that is percentage change in the radius will be equal to 2 into percentage change into length. And that is equal to how much? 0.05 into 2. So that will, 0.5 it is, not 0.05. 0.5 into 2, so that will give you how much? 1%. So there were very few people who answered it correctly. 1%. But I hope everyone is clear about it. If anyone has any doubt in my explanation, you can text me, you can ask me. Right away, I'm giving you 30 seconds for writing your doubts, or 1 minute you take. Just let me know if you have any doubt. Jaldi se bata do. That will save your time, my time, ours time. JNB, Yavatmal, Nanded, and who answered it correctly? Only 2 correct answers I got, you know. So rest people, have you all understood? Any doubt? चलो तुम लोग बोलते कम हो. Anyway, answer is B. Okay. Now here is your next question. Done. So read the question carefully. And your time has started now. Question is very easy. You just need to use the formula. Do it fast. If in question anyone has any doubt, you can text me in between also. I will have look at that. Okay. Anywhere you can ask on Zoom here or on the YouTube also. You can text me. Question is very easy. Yeah, do it. You should take less than 1 minute. I'm waiting for your answers. Come on. I hope all class will solve it. Everyone sitting in the class will solve it. Jane B. Nellore. Okay, yes. Okay, good. Come on, everyone else. Everyone else, come on, do it. Only one answer. Your time is up already. Yes, Panchmahal. I'm giving more time because I need answers out of you. There is no point of me solving everything. Even if you're solving it wrong, that is fine, yeah. You're giving your time to the question, that is important. Jenbi Ahmedabad. Gaikwad, yes. Mahisagar, okay. Done. Great. Great. Come on, everyone else. Out of 28 or 26 persons present here, I've got just handful of answers. I mean 7 or 8. Where are others? Okay. So what the question is, in a large building, there are 15 bulbs of 40 watt. Okay. 15, okay, Ashwini. 15 bulbs of 40 watt, 5 bulbs of 100 watt, 5 fans of 80 watt, 1 heater of 1 kilowatt. So there is a home, different appliances are there, bulbs of different watts, 1 heater is there, 5 fans are there. The voltage of the electric main supply is giving a voltage of how much? Okay, JNB Nandes, 220 volt, right? The minimum capacity of the main fuse of the building. So how much, just a main fuse of the building will allow how much current to go through it. Done. If the mains supply here, suppose kar lo, iska voltage kitna hai? 220, and they are giving current to the home. And that home has what things? They have bulbs of different powers. They have fans, they have heaters of different thing. So how we will calculate here the capacity of this fuse in terms of current? How much current will it allow itself? Will it allow to go through itself? Right? How much? कैसे निकालोगे? So just you think like कि जो भी home में घर में जो भी चीजें हैं, how much power it will take? So that power will get supplied by mains only. So suppose कर लो कि all the appliances together is drawing P power. So if it is drawing P power, that P power will come from where? This 220-volt battery or main supply, right? So power can be written as what? V into I. So that current I will pass through this fuse. है ना? Done. So you just need to calculate ki how much power this foam requires. That should be our task. Voltage is already given. Current we need to calculate, right? So चलो यहाँ पे क्या था 40 बल्ब 40 watt का 15 बल्ब है. So how much power altogether it will draw? 15 into 40. This much watt power. Again 5 bulbs are of 100 watt. So it will draw in total how much power? This much. Sorry, power. This is joule per second. Okay, yeah, that is what. Now here 80 fan. Sorry, 5 fans of 80 watt. So how much total power? 5 into 80 watt. And this is 1000 watt 1 kilowatt heater tha na. So 1000 watt heater 1 hai. So 1 into 1000 watt. Total how much power it is drawing? 15 into 4. That will become 60. So this is 600. And this is how much? 500. This is how much? 400. This is how much? 1000. So in total how much? This is 1000 plus 500, 1500. And this in total became 2500 watt. So power is 2500 watt power it requires. And that will become equal to 220 into I. So if you are going to calculate I, it will become, unit ko hata do, 2500 by 220. Approximately how much value you are going to get? 250 by 22. So 1 times में जाएगा 30, again 1 times 11 point something 4. Done. So we can approximate like the minimum capacity of the main fuse. So main fuse should allow current of the value like maximum current, how much it can allow through itself? 11.4 ampere. Done. इससे ज्यादा अगर करंट होता है तो फ्यूज क्या हो जाएगा? टूट जाएगा, है ना, डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगा. So maximum capacity, minimum capacity of the main fuse of the building will be near about, we can say what? 12 ampere. ठीक है. So answer will be what? 12 ampere. Done. चलो, क्योंकि 11.4 ampere it is already taking now. 11.4 ampere current it already requires for all these elements. So fuse must have capacity of greater than what? 11.4 ampere. So that will be 12 ampere. C. Okay. Chalo, so many answers I got. Yavatmal, Rashmi, Sneha. Okay, done. Chalo. Now next question is there on your screen, and I'm just giving 1 minute for this because you just need to read the bands. So जल्दी से read करके मुझे बताओ आंसर क्या होगा. याद होगा तो तुम read कर पाओ. So read it now. Do it. I'm here only. Don't feel like I'm gone. I'm here. Okay, I'm waiting for the answers. You just need to see which color stands for which number. Done? Okay, जल्दी से बताओ. आधे लोग ढूंढ रहे होंगे क्या होगा, कहाँ लिखा है, कहाँ है वो टेबल, है ना. JNB, Gondia, Nanded. Okay, 2 different answers I got. One is incorrect, one is correct. So Gondia, you need to look at that again. JNB, Ahmedabad. Okay. Yavatmal, फिर से check करो यार. Just I'm telling you, green color stands for which? Green color stands for which digit? I must say that stands for your 5. And orange color stands for what? orange color stands for which digit? It stands for digit 3. And yellow color will give you multiplier. Again, yellow color stands for which digit? Yellow color will stand for you 4, I guess. So, and golden color gives tolerance of how much? 5%. Now you give the reading. अभी मुझे रीडिंग देखकर बताओ, सारे लोग गलत बता रहे हो. गांधीनगर करेक्ट, खेड़ा यू नीड टू रिकंसिडर, महिसागर रिकंसिडर, नेल्लौर यस, पठान फिर से देख लो, पंचमहल, गांधीनगर देखो फिर से क्या होगा. फर्स्ट बैंड वी विल स्टार्ट रीडिंग फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट फर्स्ट थिंग. तो लेफ्ट टू राइट यू हैव टू रीड. नाउ towards left, first color is what? First color is your green, that stands for 5. So first digit 5. Second band gives digit, so second band is orange, and the orange color stands for 3, so digit will be 3. Now third will give us multiplier, so you will write 10 to the power 4 plus minus what you are going to do, 5%. So this became how much? 530 kilo ohm plus minus 5%. So you just need to remember. I know JNV Shimoga. Okay, correct. Very good. So you just need to answer it. And it came recently in 2019 or 20, I guess. Okay. So questions come from color coding also. You need to remember. Now for this question, again, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Read the question carefully and try doing it. Okay. तो करके बताओ क्या आएगा आंसर. If anyone has any problem in understanding the question, let me know through the chat section. JNB Ahmedabad. Yes. Sorry, yaar, I couldn't read there on YouTube for a minute. JNB Gandhinagar. Answer feels correct. Yes. Okay. Everyone, please do it. Take your time, understand the question, try solving it. I always say that reaching up to the answer while in the process of learning is not important. It is important to try. So do try. Okay. Aswini, okay, yes. Like, should I explain the question? Chalo, I will explain it for a second. Panchmahal, yes. So the question is, space between two concentric conducting spheres are there. So एक sphere आप ऐसा ले लो. Two concentric spheres are there. ठीक है? And the space between two concentric conducting spheres is filled with a medium of resistivity rho. So this space is filled with a medium of resistivity rho. This space is vacant, I must say. Nothing is given in the question. The resistance between two spheres will. You have to tell me what will be the resistance between these two spheres. Matlab, this material is present in this space. So this material will provide how much resistance between these two. Okay. Yes, I'm waiting for more answers. Please let me know the answers. I hope you all are solving. You're not sitting just looking at the screen. I hope everyone is investing their brains, not keeping it safe, because if you keep your brain safe, it won't be safe. Take this line. है ना? Chalo, I've given you more than 2 minutes. Janvi, Ahmedabad, you need to reconsider, I guess. Some plus minus में problem है आपका. You just need to check that. Okay. So what the question is? First thing, question I have already explained. So what I will say is, whenever you are asked to calculate resistance between two things, 2 points, whatever it is, try to make one point at lower potential and another point at higher potential. Done? Or in short, I will say ki connect a battery between these 2 points. That's the ideal way of solving or finding out resistance between 2 points. JNB Simoga, very good. You tried, but answer is not correct, but it doesn't matter. Again, doesn't matter here. In the exam, it will matter a lot. JNB Ahmedabad, yes, correct. Chalo, theek hai. So what we have to do, question is something like this. In this green space, there is a material of resistivity, how much? Rho. So just now I said, while calculating resistance between 2 points, connect these 2 points with a battery, or say one is at a high potential, another at low potential. So I'm saying this point is at high potential V1 and this is at lower potential V2. So I'm saying like the current is flowing in this direction. Done. So if current is flowing in this direction, we have to calculate the resistance of this space. How we will do that? So resistance का simple formula क्या है? R equal to rho L by A. Just see here carefully what is happening as the current is flowing. What is happening? Radius of that point is changing now. Just say if current point is here, it's this radius of this point or radius of a sphere passing through this point will be different. Similarly, different points if we take, and if we consider that there is a sphere, then it will have different radius. So current is flowing through different cross section. Current is flowing through what? Different cross section, right? First thing, so A is variable here. Length we need to check. तो यहाँ पे देखो variable system है. We need to calculate resistance first for a thin strip then. And you all must have dealt with variable systems very much till now. Because the same thing we did in what? Gravitation, we did in electrostat, we did in rotation. So we have done it quite a lot till now. So now let's do it here. अब यहाँ पे देखो क्या होगा. So I have taken a thin strip here. Done. Suppose I am taking this at radius R or distance R. So its area will be how much? Its area will be 4 pi R square. Its surface area, cross-section area will be 4 pi R square. Now suppose kar lo, its length of this strip is very thin and that is dr. Length is how much? Dr. So small length I have taken as dr. So resistance of this particular section you will write as what? R equal to rho. Resistivity is not going to change. It is constant. Rho L by A. Done. So now write it here. Rho L का value आप क्या रखने वाले हो? dr. A का value is how much? 4 pi R. So this is a small resistance of this small strip. Now whole resistance, if you need to calculate, what you will do? You will simply integrate it, and that integration will give you what? Will give you the answer. So dr by R square. What will be the integration of this? And limits how you will take? This strip will vary from here to here. Current is flowing in this region. Then so R will vary from A to B. From A to B. So from A to B. Now you just need to put the values. Rho by 4 pi and into क्या करोगे? 1 by R square का integration क्या होने वाला है? It will be minus 1 by R. You already know the formula. X in dx. Formula is how much? X n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here the value of n is minus. Here value of n is what? Minus 2. So you will get this A to B. You just need to put the values now. If you're going to put the values, what it will come? Minus 1 by B minus like minus को put aside कर दो. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा तुम्हें? रो बाई 4 पाई माइनस को आप बाहर ले लो, you will get 1 by b minus 1 by a. So it answer will be rho by 4 pi 1 by a minus 1 by. So this is going to be your answer. So correct answer will be B. I hope it is correct. Anyone? Any doubt? No, no doubt. Okay. Do this last question. Again, you don't need 2 minutes for this, but again, I'm giving you 1.5 minutes. Chalo, and do this. You just need to look at the graph and answer it. Okay? Do this. Read the question carefully. Reading should be careful. Sometimes what we do, we don't read, we try to answer. That way we get question wrong. So, सही से पढ़ना. You people don't do homework, you know. Homework का मतलब, in your schools you already have studied this current thing, but you don't pay like usual attention or the required attention to your task being given or whatever is being taught in your classes. Be sincere, yeah. JNV Bhavnagar, you need to reconsider. Please do it. Gandhinagar, again, you need to look at the things carefully. तुम लोग ग्राफ में बहुत ज्यादा गलती करते, and the reason is what? You don't pay attention to basic mathematics. And this basic mathematics you're learning since class 11th, log and all. But every time you fail to do, because you know what? You just avoid your problems. You don't try to solve it. तुम्हें पता है मुझे ये चीज में प्रॉब्लम होता है, so you will neglect it rather than paying attention to it. तो उसको attention देना है ना. I've always seen students do mistakes mostly in the graph. So here in the graph you can see what is given. Graph of ln RT versus 1 by t square is given in the question, and you have to tell ki what will be the equation of R versus R as a function of temperature. Done. So you just need to look at the graph and write the equation. This is a straight line graph. So if a straight line graph is like this is y-axis, this is x-axis, you write y equal to mx plus c. Done. Along y-axis here it is what? ln R T. R is a function of temperature. Slope here, this has a negative slope because it's making an angle greater than 90 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Slope is negative. So some slope value में कुछ भी ले लेती हूँ, k, some constant k suppose. So it will become as what? Minus k. Sorry, my phone fell down. Minus k 1 by what you will be writing? T square, क्योंकि mx along x-axis there is what? 1 by t square plus some constant c. Done. If you are going to solve it, how you will do this? ln R equal to minus को common ले लो, k by t square minus c you will see something like that. If you are going to write the value of R को कैसे लिखोगे? Log हटाने का क्या तरीका है? If you are removing ln from here, ln means log का base क्या है? E है, value R है. Done? Clear है? So R will be written as e to the power. E will go this side, and whatever it is here, that will go in the power. So e minus k by t square minus c, something like that. Done. So which one will fit into this? Just try to see from the option which one will fit into this. So R equal to R naught e to the power minus t square by t naught square. T square won't go in the numerator here. This will remain in the denominator. So यहाँ पे देख लो t square denominator में यहाँ दिख रहा है. So correct answer will be C. C will be your correct answer. Okay. you people take so much time, so we couldn't solve some 3 questions. And here is your homework. Homework may I have given you how many questions? 6 questions I have given. So I will be sharing the notes. You don't need to worry about what questions are there in the homework, but I have attached 6 questions are there. I hope you all will be solving it. Where you will get this homework wala link or notes link. Everyday class में मैं बताती हूँ YouTube का जो description है, there you go, you will get the notes link. Okay, so please go through that. In the next class we will meet, and next weekend there is test now, so please be prepared for test. Don't go into test just because it is happening. Be prepared for that. Get prepared for that, है ना? ठीक से formulas देखो, सारी चीजों को prepare करो. Okay, so that is all for today. Let's meet later ahead. Okay, bye bye, take care and do read. Okay, tata. Stay safe, stay healthy, and